I love this mirror. So I have this travel bag I've had for 15 years, and it used to have a mirror in there that it was like plastic one, and it broke a long time ago, and then I finally just pulled it out and I got this one. I love this thing because you can set it up. This one was always just annoying. You can set it up and use it this way, probably not on my bed. So you can set it up like this and use it that way. And I think this is the very 20 magnifying side. I didn't need the 30, so I ordered the 20, and then this is the regular side. And it can fold and set up both ways, so it's really easy to use, and it folds flat completely like this, and it fits perfectly in my travel bag. So this thing is great. I love it. It works really, really well, and no issues. It hasn't even broken, and this thing gets thrown around all the time in, you know, wherever we go. So very high quality mirror, and I absolutely love it.